for this training and for you to receive your certificate, you need to create a Google Doc. What you need to do is go into your Drive or wherever and create a new doc. I showed you how to do this in the previous video. These are your instructions. First, you need to title the doc Practice for Marsha's Training, and then put your name. Actually, I'm going to change that. Put your name and then Practice for Marsha's Training, so I will be able to tell who did it. Second thing I would like for you to do is bold one thing. Excuse me. Sorry for the interruption. Bold one thing. Add one image. And then I would like for you to add one link. I'm going to show you one more time how to do this. Click this link, insert link. You paste your link, and then you do your title. And that way you can click on it, and I could go to a link. I don't care what link. You can give me a game link. You can give me a site link. I don't care what kind of link. Any link. So you only have to do 4 things in your Google Doc. And then you're going to turn it in to me in a Google form. I will provide another video to show you how to do this. Thank you.